Men and women's business.
How can you wear makeup in this weather?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7. It's your girl VanessaK7, and I'm back with another video. It's gonna be a very straightforward type of video. It's not long at all, but it is very helpful, and I'm gonna start doing little helpful videos for you guys with your makeup. A lot of people probably know how to do a little bit of makeup by now, unless like you've never really explored that area before. So I'm just going to touch on helpful tips in each of my videos every time to jazz up your makeup skill. The sun is peeking out and it has been really humid hot weather. There's this debate, men and women's business.
How can you wear makeup in this weather?
We have girls betraying us. I don't know how girls can do full beat in this weather. You can do your makeup when it's hot. It's how you do your makeup when it's hot. Invest in Urban Decay setting spray. It is still one of the best setting sprays out there. Pretty much if you don't know about it, get to know about it. Do you know what I mean? The typical way to apply setting spray is to basically once your makeup's all done. I do it this way, which is very helpful, and that's what I want to show you guys today. I feel like this way that I'm going to show you guys is very effective. If I bring you guys in closer to me, you need to have your foundation ready. This is the foundation I'll be using. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Full Coverage Foundation. This is my summer one because it is matte and it looks really good. Okay, I tried this the other day when it was about 24-27 degrees. And have your brush or applicator ready. Shake your setting spray really well. So shake 'em. This is a new one, so it's not gonna come out straight away. Okay, there we are. So I'm gonna spray this on my face, bare face. Then I'm gonna get my foundation very quickly. Now I'm gonna put my foundation all down my top. That's just pissed me off. I'm gonna apply my foundation very quickly now. The setting spray is gonna set into the foundation as I'm applying it right now. I feel like the setting spray has set my foundation. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and because I set my under eyes and I set a lot of my face with powder anyway, I don't need to use the setting spray just yet. So I'll show you guys what I mean in a minute. So let me do the highlight and contour on my face, and I'll show you guys setting with powder and the last bit of setting spray that you need. I finished my highlighting and contouring. I haven't set my face with powder yet, but obviously the summer, and I naturally set my face with powder anyway, so this will be my setting for my second layer of makeup. I wouldn't have to use the setting spray right now. I just powder. The setting spray sets my foundation, check. This powder is now going to set my highlight and contour, check. Yeah, because I feel like this part is all a bit irrelevant to you guys, I'm going to skip and do my whole makeup. I'm just going to do my blush, my bronzer and my lashes, and I'll be right back after the break. Guys, please leave a comment down in the comment section, because I really wasn't going to wear these eyelashes, but I really like them. I know they're very bold and heavy, but I really like them, and I actually haven't done a bold eyelash in a very long time. So please leave a comment, tell me what you think. So I've done all my makeup. This is everything I would go out with. My face still feels hydrated and light. So now the last stage when you're going out for that hot girl summer, use your final pumps of the setting spray. So as you can see, my face is pretty much very set. So you need to basically balance between what creams that you use and powders that you use. So the only cream that I needed to set in the beginning, which you guys saw, was my foundation, which is a liquid, and then everything else was pretty much set with powder. And now I'm going on to my final setting spray. Shake 'em. Guys, by the way, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'm actually 35 weeks pregnant and I'm still doing these videos because I want to, because I enjoy to. I actually enjoy them because I want to. So, you know, it ain't stopping me. I don't think anything's gonna stop me from filming. Not even this baby. So I'm gonna bring all my hair back. When I say all my hair, I mean the wig. The wig. And spray. I use this opportunity to highlight. I haven't actually highlighted the high points of my face, which I love to do, if you know me. So I take this opportunity whilst the setting spray is drying to highlight my high points on my face. So this is the finished look. As you can see, my face is set, feels really set, and you would absolutely guarantee throughout the day feels so much better. When you use that technique, it absolutely sets everything layer by layer, and that's what I found the day I went out when it was really hot. That's when I found out how you use your setting spray really can. Mention this is not sponsored, but to plug a babe, Urban Decay is doing 2 setting sprays, a duo setting sprays for £27 when it was actually supposed to be, I think, 40. So check, they actually have a deal on. You'll get 2 setting sprays for a cheaper price. I don't know if the deal will still be on by the time you're watching this video, but have a look anyway. This is not sponsored, I've just thought I'll plug sis. When you guys are going to be having the hot girl summer that you want to make sure that you're doing a nice beat that actually stays on a very long time. I won't lie to you, when I did this technique, of course, like I said, it is inevitable for you to be out in the sun and not sweat. Like, it's just natural. But this technique limits it a lot. The most you'll have to do is maybe pat where you sweat. If you go on my Instagram, you will see on my pictures, my Snapchat, again, you'll see throughout the day how my makeup holds up, which is more time, a lot of the time, very well. I only have to do a small dabbing and I'm good to go. The secret, I actually do not take powder out when I go out. That is how much I've learned to set my, you know how people carry powder, which is good, so please trust this technique. It actually gives you a really nice glow at the end of the night. And yeah, thumbs up. Link will be in the description box where I got the Urban Decay setting spray. Please guys, try this technique in your makeup routine. Let me know how it goes. And I'll see you guys back on my channel with another video. VanessaK7 out. I'm joking, bye guys.